So let us get started with this. So someone I know recently lost their little doggy, and we all know how much that hurts to lose a pet. So I wanted to make something, you know, to kind of memorialize that pet. And if you've seen these online, the pet memorial candles online, they cost anywhere from $35 to $45, and I think that is insane when you can just put it together yourself, you know, relatively cheap. So this candle here, this is just a 20-ounce jar candle that I got from Walmart. The little saying that I have on here, I cut that out with my Cricut. I have the Cricut Maker. Yeah, they're costly. This one was around $400. So I don't expect you to run out and buy Cricut, you know, just to be able to do some of these things that I'm doing here. If you don't have one, then, you know, just go to Hobby Lobby or AC Moore, any craft store like that, and you can get packs of vinyl letters, and then you can just stick those on. It will work just as well. I just happened to use my Cricut for this. No, I did not show me putting the letters on because I do not have my usual transfer tape that I usually use, and there was a lot of cussing and aggravation with putting this on, and y'all don't need to see that. So once you get your candle, just come up with some saying, and I was trying to come up with something for this one and saw this on Instagram and said, you know, yeah, that's what needs to go on here. So that's what I put on there. Now to go across the top, like I said, this is really simple. To go across the top, you're going to need a little doggy collar. And I looked at Walmart, and they don't have any nice collars, believe me. I wanted something, you know, pretty nice to go on this. So I found this one at PetSmart, this little blue leather type looking thing. And I really liked it because of all the little rhinestones and everything. This is a size small. Now it was still a little too long on the edge, or on the end rather. So what I did is I just trimmed that off with some scissors, and then I sealed it with a lighter. This little tag here, this came from Walmart. My Walmart, I think all of them have it, I'm not sure. If not, PetSmart has them as well. They have this little kiosk where you can customize a doggy tag to say whatever you want. Relatively inexpensive, you know, this one was $6. So I made this one with the said doggy's name on it. Now all that you're going to do is once you have your lettering on here, then you're just going to wrap the collar around it. Yeah, I have a towel here so that this isn't going to go clank, clank, clank all over the table and make a whole bunch of racket. I can't stand racket. Just tighten it up around the top of the candle and then fasten it and then just position it. There you go. So that the tag hangs down here. And there you go. That's all that you do for this. Now, I'm thinking because of this blue, and I hate empty space. I don't like empty space. I'm thinking maybe later, I don't know, I'm going to have to think about this. I have some blue vinyl like this. I might cut out like some little paws and go here. I don't know. Now, if you want to stop it there, that's fine. But I wanted something, you know, a little bit nicer for it to sit on than just a table, you know. So I got this wood plaque from Walmart. This was around, I think it was $2.47, $2.50, something like that. Not costly at all. And I stained it using acrylic paint and baby wipes. Baby wipes. If you have not seen me do that, I'm going to link to the video up here. I posted a tutorial on how to do that earlier today. But I use the Folk Art acrylic paint in the color Coffee Bean because this person likes coffee. So I picked this out just because it was called coffee. And then I used the baby wipes and stained the wood. So then you just take your candle and set it on the wood. Like I said, there's really nothing to explain here. You're just passing along an idea. And I might take some vinyl later on and maybe do something decorative around the edge of this plaque. I don't know yet. But there you have it. Just how to make a pet memorial candle. So if you would, please give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, check me out on other forms of social media. I'll have the links to all of those in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye-bye.